Have you ever wondered, how do people go a whole week without washing their hair? Does blow drying exhaust you, but you want your shampoo to last all week with also being able to wear your hair in different looks? If you find yourself wondering and wishing those two things, luckily for you, I'm here to help. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Summer. Did you know you don't always have to or need to wash your hair every day? The shampoo and styling process can be quite exhausting, so the idea of stretching out that original blowout is really a dream. Whether you take it easy during your week or work out regularly, today's video I will be walking you through my weekly routine, showing you just how I'm able to go 5 days without washing my hair, all while creating 3 different looks throughout the week to keep things fun. I've got you covered on product tips, styling options, and extra TLC that you can do to keep your hair looking fab all week. For today's video, I've partnered with LilySilk, and I was so excited to work with them. They provide a wide range of luxury items from pajamas, bedding, pillowcases, and blouses like the one I'm wearing in today's video. What I am loving about this top is that it can be worn both casual, pairing it with some cute shorts and shoes for a daytime look such as brunch or shopping, or dressed up with some jeans and heels for a nice date night or girls night out. The silk fabric is so soft, lightweight, and breathable, keeping you both cute and cool. This month of August, they are celebrating their 12-year anniversary, so be sure to check out their website for great sales promos that they will be having all this month. Later in the video, I will also be talking about more products from them that can be beneficial to helping you maintain your hair throughout your week, helping to allow you to stretch out that shampoo and blow dry. I'm very curious to know what your hair routine is during the week, so be sure to let me know in the comments below. Starting your week off with your blow dry, you're gonna wanna make sure that you are using the right products to match your hair needs. I have thinner, finer hair, and I like fullness and volume with my blow dry, so I like to use a volumizing shampoo and conditioner for my wash day, and I will link some of my favorite options in the description below for you guys to check out. For my blow dry, after my shampoo, I will use both a root lifter and volume mousse, and sometimes even a thickening cream if I'm trying for all the volume glory. I'm trying to make my blowout last all week, so I really want to give it basically my all during my blow dry. To get volume, there's going to be a lot of lifting and exhaustion in your arms, but I find the more effort I put into my blow dry, the longer it lasts. I like using Velcro rollers as I like a lot of fullness and bounce in my blow dry, and this helps me achieve that. I will link a video that will show you guys how you can use Velcro rollers on yourself to get the same look. I like to set my look with a working spray, and my final product I like to spray in is an anti-humidity spray. This is probably your most important product for extending your blow dries, especially if you live in super humid states like me. My favorite one I like to use is from Amika, the Shield. This can be applied wet and to dry hair, and I will use this multiple times during the week for helping my blow dry to last. So now that my hair is styled, I will just go about my day same as normal. I like starting off with my hair straight, and usually like to go my first 2 days with it straight. Going from straight to curly or wavy is much easier than going from curl to straight. My hair holds a curl or wave better on a couple days out from my original blow dry, and if you like your hair curled better than straight and it holds the curl well, you can certainly start off with having it curled or waved, but for me and my hair type, this is just what works for me. So day 1 evening, I will put my hair up in a pony using a silk scrunchie and place a shower cap over my head for my shower. This is a very important step when trying to make your blow dry last. You don't want the heat or steam from the shower messing up your hair. I like to sleep with my hair up in a pony on the top of my head, as well as I feel this keeps all my hair lifted, helping the volume to last for my week. I like to use a silk scrunchie and silk pillowcase. These are both items from LilySilk. The benefits of a silk pillowcase are many. They're not just hair related. So the smoothness a silk pillowcase provides can be beneficial to your skin, as it's a softer surface, so it's less likely to cause skin irritation, and it can reduce inflammation in your skin. A silk pillowcase is also going to help reduce breakage, frizz, and tangles in your hair throughout the night as you sleep. I am loving the feeling of this pillowcase at night on my skin. It's so so soft and smooth, and it's cooler feeling to me than a cotton pillowcase. Silk scrunchies, they're also ideal to use when pulling your hair back to either wash your face, shower, or sleep. They glide over your hair much smoother, and same as a silk pillowcase, they are going to cause much less breakage to your hair that traditional hair ties can. On my day 2 morning, I will apply any dry shampoo I might need and reshape my hair. I like to use again Amika Shield. Not only is this great for fighting humidity, it's also a great heat protectant as well. So I will reshape using some Velcro rollers just throughout the top area of my head for extra lift and bend. Take my hair out, put it into place, set with some hairspray, and out the door I go. If you are big on exercise during the week and not sure how to work your routine around extending your blowout, I recommend spacing out your exercise. I like to hop on my treadmill day 1 in the morning prior to washing my hair, and then on day 2 evening, I will exercise. That way I'm getting the most out of my hair those first 2 days. My day 2 evening, I take my dog Brutus on a 2-mile walk in the neighborhood, and living in Florida, I am so thankful for that Amika product. It's giving me all the humidity protection, and using my scrunchie again to keep my hair pulled up nice and lifted for my walk. That evening, I will again use a shower cap and use a little bit more dry shampoo to soak up any oils I got from my walk, brush through my hair, and put it up in a pony on the top of my head, and to bed I go. My day 3, I will opt to start adding some curl to my hair. If I want to spend the least amount of time on my hair and the least amount of heat for the rest of the week, I will opt to do my hair in more of a beachy wave. I like to again apply additional dry shampoo I might need prior to waving. The key with dry shampoo is to apply a little each day rather than waiting till you have so much that you have to apply a ton. Dry shampoo is a great product, but it can clog your scalp if you overuse. I like to use a gentle clarifying shampoo at week's end to cleanse and keep my scalp clean. I am using Tymo's Airflow to create my waves. This is a curling flat iron, so it's very versatile. After I'm done styling, I use a small amount of AG's dry lift paste to just add a little bit of texture to my hair. On my day 3 evening, I took Brutus to the dog park, and prior to putting my hair up, I like to spray again the Amika literally right before I walk out the door. He gets to run around and play, and my hair gets to stay humid free. Another option for keeping your hair nice while you sleep throughout your week, if you are not one for a silk pillowcase, is a silk bonnet. LilySilk offers these for both shorter or longer hair, and they are also great for when traveling to fulfill your silk needs and keep your hair looking great. I will also sometimes opt to use the bonnet when my hair is wavy. These are great if your hair creases easily and you don't like sleeping with a scrunchie. The silk bonnet from LilySilk helps to keep your hair all into one place, preventing any tangles and keeping your hair from getting too wild. Again, they offer this in a longer hair option as well. And the best part is that because the silk fabric is so lightweight and super soft, you don't even notice it on your head, and you're able to get an amazing night's sleep. So when I am using this, I will take my silk scrunchie, move all my hair to the top of my head. I only loop just once though, so preventing any crease line, allow my hair to fall back, and then I place the silk bonnet onto my head and lightly tie in the back. Everything is nicely tucked away, securing my hair so I can sleep easy, knowing that everything will be intact when I wake up in the morning. My morning 4, I am back to running on my treadmill and taking Brutus on a walk to get in our exercise. I take my shower and I see how my hair is looking down. I feel my hair looks more just messy and textured, and I'm pretty happy with how it looks. So I'm just gonna reshape a few random pieces to bring a little more pop in. I put in a bit of Moroccan oil throughout my hair to give some moisture, and I will add in a little bit more of the AG paste to finish it off. So as you can see here, my hair is holding up decent throughout my week so far. The effort I put into that initial blow dry is helping my hair to keep its shape the first 2 days of wearing it straight, and the Tymo Airflow is great at giving me that fun, beachy mermaid look. When I got home from work on my day 4, I was still rocking those waves easily. The benefits of my silk pillowcase and scrunchie and the cap from LilySilk are making quite the difference as well, and the dry shampoo absorbing all the oils and that humidity spray to fight the Florida heat. By day 5 though, I typically just opt for a ponytail. It's a nice option to give my hair a break from the ironwork, texture paste, and hairspray spray. I'm no frills with my ponies, so it's just put up in more of a messy style with some pieces hanging around my face, pair it with some cute earrings, and I am ready for the day. So there we have 5 days worth of one shampoo and blow dry. I stick to my normal exercise routine, which is about 3 to 4 times a week, and obviously running on a treadmill inside helps my sweat levels, but Florida is hot, so the time I'm outside can be brutal. The dry shampoo really does help absorb those oils, keeping them from spreading down through the rest of my hair. The options from LilySilk I do love for helping my hair throughout the week. The silk pillowcase helps with keeping the hair from getting as tangled compared to a cotton pillowcase, as well as fighting frizz, which is so key if you struggle with that. And the added bonus of it being better on your skin, it's a win-win. If you are not one for the pillowcase, the silk bonnet is another great option for keeping your hair nice and neat, feeling so lightweight that you don't even notice it at all when sleeping. And again, they do have one for longer hair types. And always make sure to use a silk scrunchie at night over a regular hair tie. As well, for in the shower and such, they are much more soft on your hair than your standard ones. All LilySilk items mentioned in today's video can be found on their website that I will link below, along with an exclusive discount code. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Let me know what your weekly hair routine is, and are you like me who likes to stretch it out, or do you wash more frequently? As always, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.